Are you struggling to choose beauty and GetResponse and Mailchimp? Today I am going to deep dive into both platforms, showing you the pros, cons, and why I recommended GetResponse for serious email marketers. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will be help your business. I have used both GetResponse and Mailchimp extensively. In this video, I will break down key features like easy of use, automation, pricing, and customer support. So if you are an email marketer or business owner looking for the right tool, stay tuned. First, let's talk about ease of use. Mailchimp has a simple, intuitive interface perfect for beginners. However, if you are scaling your email campaign, GetResponse dashboard is far more powerful, allowing more advanced features without being too complicated. Both platforms offer great template, but GetResponse take it up a notch. With over 500 templates and intuitive drag and editor, you can easily create stunning emails that convert. Now, automation is where GetResponse truly shine. While Mailchimp offer basic automation, GetResponse provide highly customizable workflow perfect for setting up complex campaign. Whether it's triggered emails or advanced customer journey, GetResponse automation tools are just far superior. Let's be honest, pricing matter. Mailchimp free plan is great for startup, but as your list grow, you will find it become more expensive. GetResponse offer better value, especially for growing business. Their mid-tier plan are packed with features at a lower cost per subscriber. Finally, customer support. I have found GetResponse 24-hour and 7-day live chat to be a lifesaver. Mailchimp, on the other hand, offers limited support depending on your plan. If you value quick, reliable support, GetResponse wins the round hands down. So, which should you choose? If you are a beginner looking for simplicity and a free plan, Mailchimp might be enough to get you started. But if you are serious about growing your business, need robust automation, and want more for your money, GetResponse is the better choice. That's why I personally recommended GetResponse for email marketers who want to scale. I hope this comparison help you make an informed decision. If you want to create GetResponse account, you can easily find a link in my description box, while you can easily create your GetResponse account. So guys, check out my description link and easily create your GetResponse account. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth review and email marketing tips. Let me know in the comments, are you team GetResponse or team Mailchimp?